Detail.
If you're getting tired of listening to the same Messenger ringtone, today I'm gonna help you how you can change the default Messenger ringtone on your smartphone. Firstly, open your Messenger app and tap on your profile on the top left corner, and from here go to notifications and sound and preferences. Click on the option, and here on the top you can see ringtone option, and click on the option, and from here you can select the different sounds that you would love to have as your default ringtone. There are different options, and it's easy. And that's it. If you love this tutorial, please do check out my other tips and tricks on Facebook and Messenger. Till then, I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.